Check if a Pandas series has at least one item greater than a value. The following code will print true because the series contains at least one element that is greater than 1. However, it seems a bit Pythonic. Is there a more Pythonic way to return true if a series contains a number that is greater than a particular value? True. Edit. Not only is the above answer Pythonic, it will sometimes return an incorrect result for some reason. For example, false.
You could use any method to check if that condition is true at least for the one value.
In operator aka __ contains __ method checks if a specific value exists as an index in a series. As a side note, in operator used on data frames checks if a value exists as a column label. In other words, the fact that the in operator returns true or false has nothing to do with whether s is greater than 1, has any true values in it or not. In order to make the membership test work, the values must be accessed. Reducing the values into a single Boolean value, as suggested by Anton Protopopov, is the canonical way to this task. Python's built-in any function may be called as well.